In this video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Facebook account. So let's get started. First open Facebook app on your mobile. Now go to menu by tapping on profile image located at the bottom right side. Tap gear icon at the top which is for settings and privacy. Now tap on see more in account center link. Under account settings, tap on personal details. On personal details page, tap account ownership and control. Next, tap deactivation and deletion option. Tap on account that you wish to deactivate or delete. Now you have two options, deactivate account and delete account. Select deactivate account option and then tap continue. Again tap continue. Enter Facebook password for security reasons. Next, choose reason and then tap continue. On the next screen, tap deactivate my account button. When you deactivate account, it will not be visible on Facebook search and you can reactivate it anytime by simply login to Facebook. So that is how you can deactivate your Facebook account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.